Have you ever wondered how some people captivate an audience with their words, while others struggle to hold attention for even a minute? Welcome to our channel, where today, we're going to unlock the secrets of powerful public speaking and presenting. If you're ready to amplify your talent and command any room, then stick around. Public speaking is more than just talking. It's a craft that combines storytelling, effective presentations, communication, and confidence. It's about conveying thoughts, ideas, and emotions in a way that resonates with your audience. And today, we're going to show you how to do just that. Confidence is the catalyst that brings your speech to life. It's not about being cocky or arrogant, but about believing in your ability to deliver a compelling presentation. And remember, confidence stems from preparation and understanding of your subject matter. Now, let's talk about storytelling, the heart of public speaking. By infusing your speech with anecdotes, metaphors, and personal experiences, you create an emotional connection with your audience, making your presentations more memorable and impactful. But it's not just about the delivery. Constructing effective presentations is key. This involves clarity of thought, structure, and the careful selection of content. Tailoring your presentation to your audience's needs and expectations is another vital aspect. By doing so, you ensure that your message is not only understood but also appreciated. Remember, public speaking is a talent, but it's also a skill that can be honed and amplified. By focusing on communication, confidence, storytelling, and creating effective presentations, you can truly unlock your potential in this realm. So, are you ready to amplify your public speaking talent? Start today by practicing these tips, and remember, every great speaker was once a beginner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips. And drop a comment below about your public speaking journey. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep speaking, keep inspiring. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.